Then the registered owner walked in to the shop and said 6 words that changed everything. "I never approved these repairs." John signed the repair authorization. The repairs were completed. The invoice was ready. Everything seemed fine until the registered owner showed up and claimed they never authorized the work. Now the shop has an unpaid invoice, a completed repair, and a dispute over who actually had the authority to approve the repairs. This is why every body shop should verify who has the legal authority before work begins. Don't assume the person dropping off the vehicle has the right to authorize repairs. One simple verification at the beginning can prevent a very expensive problem later. They teach you how to repair. I teach you how to get paid.